Hi, this is Lena with Especially Made for Me. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here. I do love to create things. I do love arts and crafts, and I do love the natural side of healing and essential oils and things of that nature. So I'll be sharing those here via live video and uploads, both on YouTube and Facebook. I am married. I do have a few parakeets. You will probably hear them singing and chirping from time to time on a live video or even on an upload. Um, you will probably get to see them. If my husband does come in during a live, he likes picking them up and having them on his shoulder or his hands and stuff like that. So he might share that. Um, just a little bit more about me. I do work at a hospice. I've been there for 13, 14 years now, and I do love it. Um, I do want to just share about the things that I know and that I've learned with arts and crafts and essential oils and things of that nature. So I hope that you'll join me again during a live or just look through the videos and as I get them uploaded and just learn about different things of making things yourself, either by hand or using any of the tools that I use. I will share the tools that I use and where I get them and have affiliate links that you can click on to purchase those items if you choose to. But I will also show how to make those things by hand without necessarily having to purchase. So do stay tuned. And just let me know if there's anything you'd like to see that's not yet uploaded or that you would like to see live. Type in a comment so that I will be aware or send me a quick email and I'll work on that so we can make sure that we get that live or uploaded for you. And again, thank you so much for joining me so that I'll be able to share this passion that I share with my mom, that I'm able to share that with you. So thank you for joining my channel and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.